Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about most important topic in probability and statistics, that is measures of central tendency. See here there are five methods to calculate the average, and they are mean, mode and median. And in mean we are having the three types, that are arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Today we will going to discuss about the arithmetic mean in different series like individual series and discrete series and continuous series. See now first, what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is the relation between the sum of the number of observations by total number of observations. See, we having the from definition here. It is defined as the ratio of sum of observations and total number of observations. And let us find the arithmetic mean in first series, that is individual series. First we have to know what is individual series. See here, if the data is given like see 2 3, if the data is given individually and the data is not depending on any frequency or anything, that is said to be in the individual series. And see here is the formula for finding the arithmetic mean in individual series. See, arithmetic mean is equals to sum of observations by total number of observations, and this is the formula for finding the arithmetic mean in individual series. And let us try an example problem on individual series in arithmetic mean. Here is the example 1 for finding the arithmetic mean in individual series. And first, the formula for finding the arithmetic mean, and it is denoted by the x bar. The formula for finding the arithmetic mean in individual series. See, here the data is given and this data is not depending on any frequencies. So this is an individual series. First you have to know that. And see, the formula is sum of the observations by total number of observations. And here the sum of observations. What are the observations here given? 10. Here it is asking the sum. So 10 plus 20 plus 50 plus 90 plus 150 plus 200 by total number of observations. Here there are 6 observations, so divide by 6. So it is 520 divided by 6 and the answer is 87. So this is the way to find the arithmetic mean in individual series. Now coming to the second type, that is discrete series. Now we are going to find the arithmetic mean in discrete series. See, here is the formula for the finding arithmetic mean in discrete series, that is x bar. What is x bar? It is an symbol to represent the mean, arithmetic mean we can say. Here x bar is equals to summation I is equals to 1 to n into f of I into x of I by divided by capital N. What is the n? Here n is the sum of the frequencies. So when we are doing the problems, we will decide how the n value will be founded. And xi is equals to ith observation, means see here xi represents the values of x in this box. And what is fi? Fi is the frequency of ith observation. See here, the for a value of x, the frequency of x means the 10 is 7. So the frequency of I means what? Here is the 10, and the respective frequency for that is 7. So then what next? It is the n. N is equals to total frequency. Now we will find a. Now we will do a one problem on arithmetic mean in discrete series. See, let us assume this data and how we can decide this data in discrete series. See, the values of x are depending on the frequencies. So if any values are depending on other values, then we can say that they are in discrete series. Now what is the formula for finding the discrete series of arithmetic mean? X bar is equals to sigma I is equals to 1 to n fi xi by capital N. See, x bar equal to, what is fi? Fi xi. Fi are the frequencies and xi are the values that are given. Now we have to do the product of them. See, what is the value of x? It's 10. And what is the respective frequency of 10? Here, sigma represents the sum of the products of fi and xi. See, here 10 into 7, 10 into 7 plus 15 into 3, 15 into 3 plus 25 into 4, 25 into 4 plus 30 into 6, 30 into 6 plus 45 into 9 plus 50 into 2 by, now what is the value of n? See, here n value is the sum of the values of frequencies, like n is equals to, what is the values of frequencies? 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2. See, n value is given by these numbers. See, n equal to 31. Sum of frequencies equals to 31. Divided by n. We are having a formula. Divided by n means by 31. So x bar is equals to, x bar equal to, see, the product of and sum of the fi and xi is in the upper part and the values of n on the lower part. It is equal to the 900 by 31. It is approximately equal to 29. See, this is the way to find the arithmetic mean in discrete series. And before we have seen how to find the arithmetic mean in individual series also. Now we will find the arithmetic mean in another series, and that is a continuous series, and that is the last series. Now, coming to the third type, that is continuous series. Now we are going to find the arithmetic mean in continuous series. What is the formula for finding the arithmetic mean in continuous series? Here, x bar. What is x bar? X bar represents the arithmetic mean. X bar equal to sigma I is equals to 1 to n fi xi by n. What is fi? Frequencies. And what is xi? Xi represents the values of x, that is data, given data, and the values of n. N is now n. We can find the value of n by adding the values of all frequencies in the given data. See, now we will do a one problem on this. Now, this is one of the example of finding the arithmetic mean in continuous series. See, the given data in, see, the given data is in continuous series. How can we find that? See, before in discrete series, we are only having the x values and f values. But here we are having the class intervals and with respect to the frequencies. See, if the data of x, see what is the class intervals? It is nothing but x. Here, class intervals are indirectly representing the values of x. See, before in discrete series, we are having the x values and frequency values. Now we are having the class interval values and frequency values. Now we have to get the values of x from the class intervals. How we can get the x values from class intervals? See, x equal to midpoint of the class intervals. See, here the class interval is 0 to 5, but the value of x is 2.5. See, the midpoint of this interval is 2.5. So the x value is 2.5 here. Again, here the value of x is 7.5. The midpoint of this class interval is the 7.5, 12.5, and here 17.5 and 22.5. See, you can raise a one doubt, like how we can find the midpoint. See, midpoint is equals to lower limit plus higher limit by 2. See, let us consider this class interval. What is the lower limit? That is 0 plus, what is the higher limit? That is 5. 0 plus 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2, 2.5. See, we got the x value. It is the way to find the values of x. Now we will find the arithmetic mean in continuous series. What is the formula for finding the arithmetic mean in continuous series? That is x bar equal to summation I is equals to 1 to n fi xi by capital N. See, now to avoid the confusion in this, we can draw the table. See, what is the class intervals? See, one column is a class interval and the frequency. What is the class intervals? 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. And the respective frequencies are 4, 8, 3, 5, 7. And now we want to find the values of x first. What is the x? X equal to midpoint. See, before we found the values of x here, that is 2.5, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5 and 22.5 here. And what we want is fi into xi. So we want another column, that is fi into xi. What is fi into xi? That is product of frequency into respective value of x. Here 4 into 2.5, that is 10, 8 into 7.5, that is 60, 3 into 12.5, that is 37.5, similarly 87.5 and 157.5. Now here formula is equal to this. We want the summation of f of I into x of I. Now we want to add the values of this all. The sum of this is 352.5. See, we got this value 352.5. And what is the value of n? Now we have to find the value of n. In before series, that is finding the arithmetic mean in discrete series, we seen how to find the value of n, that is sum of the values of frequency. Here sigma f is equal to n. What is the sigma f? That is the addition of these all values, right? N equal to 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. That is value of n equal to 27. See, here n equal to 27. Now 352.5 by 20. Here 352.5 by 27 is equals to 30. The value of x bar arithmetic mean is equals to 30. So this is the way to continuous series. In coming videos, we will see how to find the median and mode in different series. Thanks for watching.